In my previous video, I talked about a particular platform that is currently paying creators. Now, on this platform, you don't need 1,000 subscribers, you don't need 4,000 watch hours before you can start making money on that platform. The only thing you need to do is just to register on that platform, upload your videos, and then you're going to start making money. Immediately you create an account, you're already monetized. So I got a lot of questions, a lot of comments from people on this video that how did I verify my account. So in this video, I'm going to show us a step-by-step process on how you can verify your account. Now, this platform I'm actually talking about is called Rumble, and I'm sure a lot of us have actually seen this, but majority of us are still finding it very difficult to verify our Rumble account, and that is what I'm going to be sharing in this video. And I'm also going to clarify some things because a lot of people were also asking, how do I get paid? How do I, withdraw my money from this platform? Because the platform only pays you through PayPal, and there are some countries that PayPal are not yet allowed, like Nigeria. Now we don't use PayPal here, so withdrawing that money from that platform is actually going to be very difficult. So I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money using two options. So you want to stay with me to the end of this video if this sounds like what you want. If you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Buki. On this channel, I share tips that can help you grow fast on YouTube. And I also share tips and things you need to avoid as a YouTuber so you don't land your channel into trouble. So if this sounds like what you want, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips. And lastly, if you have any question concerning this video, do well to drop into the comment section. So now, to verify your Rumble account, you actually need a US number. So if you're based in Nigeria or other African countries, you're going to notice that if you put your number there, you're not going to get the verification code. So if you use any number that is not United States, you're going to see that that code is not going to come. Okay, so that is why you need a US number to be able to verify. Now, to do this, it's actually very simple. You can either do it two ways. Now, the first one is if you have someone in the United States that can help you. Okay, you're just going to input that number there, and then the person is going to stay online to help you get the code. So immediately they send the code to that person, the person is going to forward the code to you, and then that way you're going to be able to verify your Rumble account. Now, the second option, which I used personally, is through a particular app. Now, this app is going to give you like an eSIM. All right, yeah, you may be based in any country, but you can still get an eSIM for US. Okay, so I'm going to show us step by step on how you can do that. Okay, so now to be able to achieve this, you need to go to your App Store or your Play Store. Okay, now once you go there, you're just going to type Numero, okay, and search for it. Now once you search for it, you're going to say this is the first one is the main app. Okay, Numero, numbers and eSIM travel. Okay, so you want to make sure that you download this app on your phone. All right, and I'm also going to show us two more apps you can actually use, because this Numero app is a paid app. Okay, you have to pay for it. Now, these other two apps that I'm also going to share, one is actually free and the other one is extremely cheap. Okay, so the reason why I am using Numero is because I've used it before, right? But these other two apps too also work. All right, now once you're done downloading it, just open the app like this. Now it requires you to register. Okay, so what you need to do is input your own number. Okay, right, so I'm just going to input my number here. Now once you've added your number, just click on confirm, and then it is going to ask you this question: make sure that you are using your real number. Okay, so you want to confirm. Now once you confirm, you're going to see this interface: phone number, data eSIM. Click on phone number. Okay, now once you click on phone number, come to mobile numbers. Okay, now once you come to mobile numbers, you're going to see this. We're actually looking for United States number, right? So you're going to click on the first one. Okay, now once you click on the first one, you want to scroll to the end, which is the monthly payments. Okay, so you click on this one. Once you click on it, click on continue, right, and click on buy. Now once you click on buy, it is going to tell you that you want to make sure that this is your real number, because they are actually going to send you a code, like I said. Okay, so you want to confirm. Now after confirming this, you're just going to choose your method of payment. Okay, so now I've added my payment details. I'm just going to go ahead and buy. You can see it is done processing and I've successfully purchased the number. Okay, so I'm just going to click on back, And once you purchase this, that way you already have your phone number. This is the number. You can see it is active. Okay, you can see my real number, which is my Nigerian number, and my United States number. Now once you have this handy, it's just minimize. Okay, do not close the app, minimize and go back to your browser. Now for you to be able to verify your Rumble account, you can't do it on the app. I think you can only do it from the browser, right? So just go to your browser, either Chrome or Safari, and then you're just going to type Rumble, and it is going to take you to your account. Okay, you're just going to input your necessary details and sign in. So now for you to verify your account, you see this profile icon, you can see, click on it. Now once you click on this profile icon, click on account settings. Okay, now once you click on account settings, go to these three lines you can see here, click on it, and then you're going to see we have settings, profile, local account, verification, security. Click on verification. Now once you click on verification, you're going to see your account status like this, not verified. Okay, and this is the reason why you need to verify, because if you're not verified, you're not going to be able to upload videos and use their live streaming, because you can also make money just by live streaming. And also, if your account is not verified, I don't think you'll be able to use their Rumble studio. Okay, just like the YouTube studio, right? Now what you want to do is to click on where you can see mine, that is Nigeria, your country code. Click on it, and then you're going to look for United States. Okay, so I'm just going to search for that, United States. Now once you have this, you're just going to minimize and go back to the Numero app and type in the number. So I'm just going to type mine, 8168314782. Okay, so I'm just going to click on text me, right? So we're going to wait for them to send the code. Okay, so while I'm waiting for them to send the code, if you've not given this video a thumbs up, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more tips. Okay, so the code has been sent, so I'm just going to type it here, 239353. okay, so I'm just going to click on validate code. Now let's see if the account will be verified or not. Okay, wow, it's very fast and simple. Congratulations, your phone number has been verified. Okay, so that way you verified your Rumble account. You can now have access to their YouTube studio. You can now go live, you can now start making money, you can start withdrawing your money on Rumble. You can see account status says it is verified, and all these things have been ticked, right? So now you can have access to everything on this platform. So for the other two apps, if you don't want to use Numero, you can actually use Ponytail Business. That's the name of the app. Okay, they are going to charge you less than $1. I think 0.19, is it 99 cents? That's how much, that's the amount you're actually going to pay. So for the free app that you're not going to pay anything, and you're still going to get your virtual SIM from United States, is either text now or text free. Either of these two apps, you're going to use them for free to get, you know, a virtual US number that you can use to verify your Rumble account. But one thing I want you to know, if you're using the free version, it does not guarantee that you're going to get the verification code from Rumble, because there are times it is going to stress you. Okay, so if you don't want stress, you just want something very seamless, I advise you go for the paid version. But if you have the time, you can as well try these two apps, which is text now and text free. Now heading to how you can withdraw your money from this platform. Now before you can withdraw your money from this platform, you must at least have $50 in your account. Okay, so once you get to $50 threshold, you'll be able to withdraw your money. Now the solution to where you're going to withdraw your money is what I want to tell us. Okay, so I said I'm going to be giving us two ways. Now the first one is, if you have a trusted friend in the United States or in diaspora that has a PayPal account, a very trusted friend, okay, you can just reach out to the person that, okay, please, I want to use your account for so platform to withdraw my funds, and then the person is going to send the money to your local bank account. Okay, the second option is for you to ask that person to please help you open a PayPal account. Okay, so those are the two options on how you can, you know, withdraw your money from this app. And that is how I've been able to do mine without stress. Okay, so this will be the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any question, please don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I'll always be in the comment section to answer every question. So I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.